This is the XY4 Plus. It's from XY Findables, as you can see, and it is a device used for tracking anything really that you can put it on. You can put it on your keys, you can put it on your remotes, you could put it in your car. I really like these kinds of things, and comes in a cool box here. You can see, looks like you just tear this open. Pretty simple. Your beacon of hope has arrived. Okay, so let's go in here. Got XY Findables to get started. I know we're gonna have to get the app for it. Packaging is cool. I really like the look of the device. It's pretty thin, which is good, enough to put in a purse, fit on your keychain and whatnot. So looks like we just pull this out now. Okay, so you can see that. And again, there's the packaging, pretty cool. So now we'll go get the app and see how this thing works. Okay, so now I'm gonna go search for the app here and just download it really quick. Okay, now I've opened the app and you can register or log in if you have an account already. Alright, so now you can just tap through these, the settings, everything about registering here, and then at the bottom you can tap, add a device. This is the XY4 Plus, and then you just have to press the button 2 times and it will find it. Alright, so I'm just going to press the button here a couple times. Okay, so it found it, and I'm just going to name it car here and put it in my center console in case my car were to get stolen, or just if I want to see, hey, where did I park my car? And then you can see it'll show on the map. You can obviously zoom in and see where it is. Alright, so right now I have not put this in my car yet, but I want to test ringing it. So tap here, tap find it. You can hear it pretty good. Oh, definitely hear the speaker. Now it knows I found it. It says here, but if this was on your keys, you know, in your purse, you could ring it if you misplaced them to find where it is, and just know on the map where it is as well. Sometimes maybe you go somewhere and you're like, shoot, where's my wallet or my purse? Did I put it, you know, in my car? Did I bring it with me, or is it still back at the house? And you can just come on here and see on the map exactly where it is. So as you can see, I set this up to be in my car. I'm just going to put it in my glove box or the center console so I'll know where I parked my car. Of course, in the chance it gets stolen or something, I'll be able to track it. But I also really want to be able to use this feature that I can ring my phone from the XY device, because I find myself misplacing my phone sometimes more often than keys or other things. So basically, you just press, you can see here the XY, this button, you press it twice and it should ring the phone. There you go. And it's pretty loud too. And I guess, yeah, just pick up the phone and it turns off. Pretty cool. Another pretty handy feature, and you can do that with any of these if they're, whether it's the one in your car, you can put them on your remote, your keys, and then you can ring your phone if you lose your phone.